everybody, welcome back to Healthy Living. It. This is your first time. I'm Wendy. So today, y'all, we're gonna get right into it. Right behind me is the sweet potatoes that I planted some time ago, and it's overdue. Now, I do know that we have one sweet potato that is sticking out. I can't answer for whatever else is in there. It's a surprise, and we're going to be surprised because it's been a long time. Let's go look and see. This container here is pretty old. Baby found it somewhere on his jobs. See, you hear it? It's old. It's ready, but it's supposed to rain Friday, and let me get my scissors over here, y'all. I'll call myself being prepared. Okay, we can just use this in the compost. We'll just put that over there. We have one right here that is sticking up. I don't know, y'all. That's kind of looking like it's a little green. All right. So this is just your regular standard sweet potatoes. So I'm glad to be doing this today, because today it was actually acting like it wanted to rain. I was like, oh my goodness, hold on, I want the rain, but I want to be able to do this because it's overdue. Okay, so yeah, let me just truly, this is trash. Get rid of that container. The dirt is going to go into this one once I finish. I didn't even bring a basket. A lot of little ones. Y'all, to be honest with you, I didn't really pay the sweet potatoes no attention. Didn't really water them. Didn't really fertilize them. So whatever we get out of this, I deserve it, because if you're not nurturing and taking care of something, this is what you're gonna get. And we're getting ready to see. There's a lot of them that's really small. Yeah, I think this one is my biggest sweet potato. It's okay. It is okay. But I definitely want to say that at Walmart, baby, them sweet potatoes is 88 cents a pound, all right? It's like somebody gonna be there getting like 2 or 3 of them. We're not real big on sweet potatoes, but we enjoy them. Uh-oh, look, y'all. It is super dry. This can stand some fertilizer. It needs some nutrients, yeah. I don't even see a worm in here. Okay, it is what it is. Let me show you my harvest, because I do believe this is it. Now, okay, let's put the sweet potato harvest right here. And my babies. Yeah, I gotta hold them still, because if I don't, they might roll off and I might lose them. But something beats nothing without okay, let's try this again. Okay, I'm not gonna even cut it out because it's real, but for you to see it, you're gonna have to see it on the end. Oh Lord, I actually fell. Okay, we're not gonna do that twice. Okay. All right. Something is better than nothing, okay? We at least have this. It's just me and hubby. And maybe next time if I do the fertilizer, and maybe next time I pay attention to them, give them the water and the nutrients that they need so they can be able to thrive. The dirt was so dry, y'all. I've been meaning to show y'all this. I didn't even get to use these. These are still like brand new. Look at that. Look at that. You know? So, you know, temporarily. This is temporarily. So, yeah, look, it's still new. Look at that. All right. Don't leave them outside if you're not using them. I know we say we're going to get around to it. We're going to get around to it. And that's what I did. I don't know if something was eating on this or what. I might at least keep it. I don't know. What would y'all do? Would y'all keep it? Throw it away? Let me know. This is definitely going to the trash. Clean up your mess when you finish, so when you come out the next day you don't have to worry about it. And this is our harvest, y'all. Hopefully next year we have a better harvest. Now, just to remind you, I do have sweet potatoes that is growing on the back side, on the other side, and maybe I should show you that. Okay, here are the other sweet potatoes over here, and these leaves look pretty good to try to taste them, you know, right in here. They look pretty good. But yes, oh yeah, matter of fact, let's kind of pick them up and get them out of the walkway. That way we can see what's going on here. That's a sticky bush. All right, looks like I need to sweep because that would make me feel better when I come over here when it's clean. So that's the next thing I would do. But yes, y'all, we have sweet potatoes over here, down in here. So I might get brave enough and dig in there. I'm not sure. I'll think about it. Because you know we got some sweet potatoes in there. Got to get the weeds up by the bricks over here. Some thorns. But that was a start, y'all. And right here is a sweet potato vine growing out of the woodshed. Right here. So that's what happened here and over there. All right, y'all. When you think you're about finished, it's always something else. Thank you again. Keep growing. And nutrient and something beats nothing without